Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to turn off autosave pictures in Messenger. So you have to open your Messenger app on the Android device or iPhone or desktop. So you will open your Messenger. So you have to the top left corner of the settings. So you have to scroll down to find photo media. So there is photo and media. You have to click to the more photo and media, and there is save on capture picture. So you have to turn it off because you will be not as your instruction that you will not save picture auto save. So you have to turn it off for auto saved pictures are turned off. So now you will be not auto save picture in your gallery. It will be no longer mode. Hope this video help you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.